My name is Parag Bhausar and I am from India. I did my bachelor's and master's in textile engineering in India. After that, I completed my doctorate in chemical engineering from European Union program. So during the program, I travel in Italian universities, Romanian universities and Chinese universities. So I have been under the influence of so many professors and so many people who are in the profession of teaching. So today I would like to share you my success story that today I pass the Patente B theory exam with the 0 error from the Amrish Quick Patente. So what I would like to share you in my small success story is that everybody of us, we are looking for the exam, how to crack the exam, because we don't speak the Italian language and we don't want to go to put some extra effort after the work. So I was also looking so many online classes using YouTube. So I found that there are some Pakistani, Bangladeshi or even Italian people who are teaching, but it's kind of just the translation. Like we need to have some kind of detailed information in a way that we can understand. So I came also some pop-up video of YouTube's related to the Amrish Quick Patente, and after watching let's say 2 or 3 videos, I was feeling that like no, this is kind of a different teaching skills. So I just called him and I told him that I would like to join your class. I took and it's like just I was believing like how he teach, and then after you can see that today I passed with the 0 error. I just take the 5 classes or the 5 chapters of the out of 25 chapters I completed. I was ready after only the 3 chapters. So he has kind of a particular skills, particular what you can say the methodology to teach you, not only if you know the language or you don't know the language. It doesn't matter, because we are learning a completely new language. It doesn't matter what kind of profession you are from the bachelor, masters, uneducated, or I don't know, like it's when you are learning a new language, it's a complete another set of information we are getting. So we are on the same level. So what I found that he is multilingual. He speak Italian, German or English and another also Southeast Asian languages like Hindi, Urdu, Farsi. Along with that, he is the accessible, like you can ask him so many queries or you can ask multiple times or you can call him privately. So he is quite accessible. Along with that, I found that when I also joined some autoscola in my city, I attend their lectures and they complete one lecture in 1 hour. They don't care if you understand, you don't understand. But here the sir has focused on each and every student, that he is learning, he is understanding and he is progressing. So he is making sure that he is serious. So it unconsciously or consciously make us to put our effort in order to crack this exam. And that's why I'm telling you, like those who wants to join or who are in a fear of language or who wants to complete. I was waiting this for 3 years. I'm in Italy, but I don't want to try. And finally I found this class, and I can say like within a span of 4 or 5 months, I have the Folio Rosa today, and that's only because of the magic of Amrish Quick Patente. So those who wants to join and get this success, definitely contact Amrish Quick Patente. Thank you very much.